Hey everyone, today I've got something special for all you graphic designers out there. We're diving into the best free JPG to PNG converters you need to try. Whether you're working on a tight deadline or just want to streamline your workflow, these tools will make your life a lot easier. Let's get started. First up, we have Convertio. This online converter is super intuitive. Just drag and drop your JPG file. Choose PNG as the output format and hit convert. It's that simple. Plus, Convertio supports batch processing so you can convert multiple files at once, making it a huge time saver. Next on the list is Online Convert Free. This one's a gem. It offers a clean interface and quick conversion speeds. Just upload your JPG file, select PNG, and click Convert. What sets it apart is the option to tweak settings like adjusting DPI and resizing your image. Perfect for those precise projects where every detail matters. Third, we have Cloud Convert, known for its versatility. Cloud Convert supports over 200 formats including JPG and PNG. The best part, it integrates with Google Drive and Dropbox, making it super convenient if you're working with cloud storage. And you can even automate tasks using their API, which is a game changer for developers out there. Up next is I Love IMG. Don't let the cute name fool you. This tool is powerful. With a user-friendly interface, you can quickly convert JPG to PNG without any fuss. Just upload, convert, and download. It also offers a variety of other tools like image compression and meme generation, making it a handy all-in-one solution. Last, but definitely not least, we have EasyGIF. Although it's primarily known for GIF creation, EasyGIF offers a robust image conversion tool. The process is straightforward. Upload your JPG, choose PNG, and convert. What's cool about EasyGIF is that you can edit your image before converting it, giving you the flexibility to crop, resize, and adjust colors all in one place. So there you have it, 5 awesome free JPG to PNG converters that will make your design work a breeze. Whether you need something quick and simple or a tool packed with features, there's an option here for everyone. Give them a try and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Catch you